Hello guys, how are ya? Travis, alongside Samantha. Kindergartner Samantha, she starts kindergarten.
I just saw my teacher!
And the audio just went
Into the sky like an astronaut.
And Jasmine. It's time for
Peekaboo.
Munchpak.
Yes, I don't destroy it.
Alright, let's sit down. And let's...
Begin.
Yeah, let's begin.
And like,
Okay, so this is Munchpak for
who gave it to us?
August.
What did you guys give us? Can't tell us because it's a secret, maybe.
It's a surprise. I like surprises. Do you like surprises? Comment below.
I love surprises. My daddy doesn't
Speaking of
like...
surprises, I don't know. Okay.
So my daddy's gonna stay down here with my mommy to think of the snacks are good or not.
Oh, I know what that is. Let me see that.
Here.
So this is to let us know what the snacks are. That's kind of cool, actually. So first off, we got Doritos Pizza Rollos. Originally sold as a round chip across the U.S., now found only in Mexico in a classic triangular shape. The cameraman just stole my bag.
She's really hungry, but she is kind of a pain in the booty.
Relax, girls. Relax.
Did you guys see it or not? Because she's a pain in the booty.
Sit down, both of you. Sit down. Relax. Okay. Alright, so Doritos Pizza from Mexico. Sweet.
Hey, we have everything. We have everything.
Oh, cool. They got a Sour Patch.
You see? It's hot.
Let me try. It's not hot. It's pizza. It smells weird. No offense.
Smells like pizza.
It does,
really
kind of.
It really smells like pizza sauce. Yeah. Okay.
Not bad, actually.
We have something a little
Sour taffy.
Yippee! You're not in the video. But you can be in the video too. Just show them. Yeah. He wants to see. Oh. Hi. Slappy Jack. Meow, meow. Oh.
Where is it on here? Oh, okay. Excuse me. Chewy, tangy mouthwater. Allergy season. I freaking love it. Classic taffy bar that will turn your tongue blue. From America. What about Americano? Comment below if you've heard that song. You seriously gonna try left attack? Banana? All you.
Banana. 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 Banana.
Sour taffy. You know what? I think I'm gonna pass. Not taffy.
No, I think that sour.
Sit. Okay, let's do Deliza pastry cream.
Make your tongue blue.
Wow, that turned blue fast.
You make the best food ever. I'm telling you. We can see through you.
Okay, there I found it. Okay, it's from Italy.
We can always remember when I was a baby, a little kid.
This is a little harder. Stop. Calm down.
It doesn't have nothing.
What the heck cool.
That looks like.
It looks like a pastry.
Blue one. No, blue one. Behind you.
I'm going to do it. Wow! Oh my god! I can look at my tongue.
Sit down. Yes, I see your tongue. Everyone can see your tongue. Oh look, they actually gave us two. Oven fresh flavored cupcake, banana. While the cameraman is doing that, let's do this one.
I choose
This
one.
is onion flavored wheat snack.
Look at this.
Banana.
You girls need to sit down though, okay?
Okay.
Okay, this one is from Israel. The word snack didn't exist in the Hebrew language before Bislia arrived in the 1970s. Or 1870s, just says 70s. Now, it's undoubtedly one of Israel's most popular snack brands. Sweet. So this is from Israel. I'm sorry.
Even the channel Uncle put me right now.
That's good.
If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it.
Right.
I have a ring on it.
Yeah, you can have it.
Ooh, not bad. That's worth another bite. I need a ring.
Sure. Let's try this.
Let's trade. Take this. Hello, kitty. Meow. Hello, kitty.
Let mommy try first.
Hold on. I'm guessing this is from Japan. Oh no, Taiwan. So it's a rice cake, egg yolk flavored.
Tastes like nothing.
Don't taste like that.
Now let mom try first. It's her house kitty. You can eat all.
Is it egg?
It's not egg.
It doesn't really taste that bad.
Try.
No.
Try.
What do we got here?
Daddy, I'm kind of scared of that face. Just rip it.
Okay, so we got Zolzul, Green Power. Sit down. Sit down. Zolzuli Green Power from Poland. Sweet and tart lemon and apple something. Jellies. Ooh, jellies. Made from real fruit juices. Mioski is well known in Poland and now
you,
sells sweets in over 60 countries worldwide. Guessing this one is lemon. Yep, that's coming up next. Hold on. Have patience, children.
Mine's probably
I got one.
banana.
Oops, I like banana.
Mine's banana.
Does anyone like banana?
I chose one first.
Well, I wasn't
Don't
asking
tell me
you.
their first hour. The cameraman is eating all of our snacks when we do
Ooh,
lunch pack,
squishy.
even from a long time ago. The longest.
Okay, Mama love my chicken.
She doesn't like the camera, but she's well opinionated.
Ow.
I can't tell what flavor it is.
I'm not. Banana.
Yeah, it does taste like banana. That's okay.
Banana.
Nutella. Be ready.
Daddy, stop. I'm scared.
Good.
Daddy, stop.
E.T. is friendly. It's just like your mother. She
Dude.
looks scary, but she's... Well, actually, she is scary, but...
Stop.
Okay, so this one is actually from Poland. Be ready for an exciting taste experience.
You guys are very cool because there's chocolate. You guys are cool. You make cool stuff.
These crisp, crunchy wafers are shaped like a baguette.
Okay, Jesse, I don't think you're gonna have to. I don't think they're gonna have to
Hold on,
eat
girls,
these
hang on.
because these are hard. I think I can feel it.
Okay, so Nutella. It's really hard to
Yummy
go wrong
numbers.
with these guys.
Yummy numbers.
That is awesome. It looks like a Christmas present. Look at this. It looks like a Christmas present. Merry Christmas to me.
Merry Christmas to everybody.
4 months. 4 months till Christmas, guys.
And then Mommy's gonna get sticky socks. Really, really soon. Just kidding. I'll give her
Probably.
the best stuff. Ah, Daddy.
Here, let me open it so you don't make a mess, please. My assistants. It's probably better that they open it because I'm terrible at opening packages. Oh, that is cool. It actually looks like a...
Share with her.
She is. She's sharing.
Oh my
It
gosh.
legit looks like bread. Dude, that is... Here. Here.
Chocolate now.
Do you want to try? Do you want to try? No.
Try.
Just me. I want to try.
Let me
Chocolate.
close up. Look here. Look at that. Look at the inside.
So good.
You went from to in like a second.
Don't like it.
Banana.
I want to try dark chocolate.
Chocolate. You like great.
I love milk chocolate.
On the wall.
If anybody wants to play,
It's so crazy. There you go.
I will be selling my wife and my kid on eBay, so...
Actually, what is Amy?
Maynard's Sour Patch Kids Cherry Sour Cherry Blasters. I like cherry. It looks like one of those Red Hot Drops. I know it's not, but I'm just using that as a comparison.
I love when you make new snacks. They're real good. This is way gooder than all those boring snacks, but just taste. I know. Oh, man. This is so good. Oh, I'll taste it.
This is actually really
Do
helpful.
it taste it? No. I taste it.
Okay, so these are actually from Canada. Go Canada!
Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Go, Nasha.
What I love about Munchpak Okay, so look at this. In one of the Munchpaks, get a soda with it. This one's a Mountain Dew Violet. So that a grape flavored Mountain Dew. Guys, if you are not signed up for Munchpak yet, do it.
We can do one by one.
Snacks from every continent for a good price.
Have you ever tried Rice and Macy? Rice
Guys.
and Macy, because I did. And Sammy did too.
Sit down. Okay, guys, that's it for us.
Wait, you didn't taste this yet. Try.
Excuse me. Okay, I think they tasted it. And we'll see you guys soon.
Bye. Wait up. Bye bye. Wait up. We forgot something. What's one thing?
We did. We forgot something. That's okay.
In my tongue,
Milk-a-lo double milk sandwich. Let me see that book again. Let's take a look.
Well, that looks really good.
So this comes from
Alerzano, you guys. Yeah!
Pakistan. Okay. Irresistible milk cream stuffed sandwich biscuits are making a comeback. Popular in the 90s, people worldwide can't get enough of this throwback snack. I really like this book.
Sour? No.
I'm curious about that grape flavor Mountain Dew. Girls.
Hey,
Ooh, that's cool. Look at
that's
this.
my sit down.
A waffle.
It looks like a waffle. That's awesome.
Waffle.
I love Munchpak. Get it? I love Munchpak.
Jasmine.
Chelsea, what's your favorite part about Lunchpak? What favorite? What's your favorite? Here, over here. What's your favorite?
Not bad. Another successful Munchpak.